Hi guys, on Durdham Downs. Blue sky that way, storm coming across that way. Found this one in my stock, outdoor ozone. Had to put fresh rubber on it. No idea if it'll fly. Looks a bit creased where it's been stored, but we'll give it a go. Oh wow, where's that going to go? 100 miles off that way, I expect. Well, that worked. Okay. Oh. Right, I've given it a tiny bit of up elevator. A little bit too much. Oh, don't do that. Bit too much wind. I think that went better than I expected, to be honest. The rubber I put on there is some old hobby grade that's actually breaking apart, but it looks like that particular loop is working, so we might fly this another day. Well, we've stopped flying. You can probably guess why. Absolutely pouring down. Oh well, that'll do. That's it for today. Now the wind's coming, so I could fly me kite. I don't think so. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.